Well, good evening. I'm recording this on, I don't even know what day it is. I think it's June 10th. Um, and well, I was intending to get this video started about an hour ago, and then I found a tick on my dog Vela, and then I think I found, and then I was like, I was seeing if she had any other ticks, and of course she did, and it was really bad. Like there were like three little ticks in like by her belly, and so that turned into like a 30-minute debacle. Not a debacle, but like we found 30-ish ticks on her, and that was just awful. And we gave her a flea and tick bath, and I'm finally sitting down after having, yeah, after, after work and exercising her and watering the garden and finding the ticks. So we're going to get to some writing tonight. Today's ambience is, oh, Vela's got her little bone. Sorry if that was really loud. Today's ambience is by a creator whose name I cannot pronounce, but is luckily there on the screen, and I will also be linking their channel in the description, so you can check out their other videos. Um, yeah, I just wanted to choose another outdoorsy one. I just really like the solitude and the stillness of a fireplace and the birds and just nature in general. So thank you so much for letting me use this. I wish I could pronounce. I don't even know what any of those letters are, how any of them are pronounced. So um, I really apologize, but I'm really thankful for letting me use this. Uh, just trying to think here what else before we get going, but quarantine is ending in Wisconsin. It's kind of ended already. Most businesses are open, and um, face masks are still sometimes being used, but it's confusing. So I don't know, with quarantine ending, it just feels like there's a renewed feeling of being rushed again, especially with work picking up in both my jobs. It just feels like that renewed feeling of being rushed. And it's just funny. It's like it's not even. It's very subtle. Excuse me while we put more fire on the wood. More wood on the fire. uh, well, technically, more fire is going to be on the wood too. um, Sorry, I'm just watching now. I'm starved for having a campfire, if you can't tell. I really miss that. I haven't been around a campfire in like years, actually. Just sitting and just kind of bullshitting and having a drink or whatever. So, yeah, anyway, I'm starved for it. But no, as I was saying, as quarantine is ending, it just kind of feels rushed again. And luckily, gratefully, before quarantine, I was starting to really be more aware of myself and my habits after work, and just how I was reacting to my day as I was going through my day, and just trying to be more conscious of my values and what I want to focus on. So thankfully I had some of that going before quarantine started. So it's just going to be a matter of returning to that until I can figure out a new work life situation. Because just like having that extra like need to take an extra deep breath once in a while it's an indication to me that I'm a little too busy. It's just as simple as that. I'm a little busier than what I need and want. So these videos are not going to change or go away as I begin to go back to my physical workplaces. I'm going to make sure of that, because this is part of, life, like deciding what you really want in life and making that decision. So, with that, So I am working on Everbound today, even though I could type up the short story. Darn, I'm really not sure why. I wish my video wasn't lagging so much. Yeah, I'm not sure why it has to do that sometimes, and then other times it's perfectly fine. So maybe it has to do with. I'm probably gonna get an ad now. Just gonna mute that in just in case. Oh, no ad. Surprise. I'm just gonna turn down the quality here, so see if it's definitely not as good, obviously. But I don't think I necessarily need to have a HD, especially if it's. I'm not sure. Well, anyway, well, that seems to be better. Oh, isn't that just what life kind of does? It just kind of likes to, even if you're prepared, like it just likes to throw new things at you. So thank you for being patient as we get this one going. So anyway, as I was saying, I could be typing up my short story that I had been working on during these sessions, and I will definitely be doing that in one of these sessions, typing that up. But today I feel the need to give some time and attention to Everbound. So, and Everbound is my ongoing novel, and it is time to write on that. I'm nearly done with the main narrative part. I still have to write all the letters, so it's got a ways to go. But it just takes time, and that's why we're doing this. This is why we write when we can. Ava, do you feel ticks again? Oh, I'm sure she still has like a dozen on her. So anyway, with that, please share what you guys are working on. And this is a long intro. It's already been like 10 minutes. I'm so sorry. Yeah, please let me know what you guys are working on, and I would really like to know what you feel the writing community needs in general. If you feel like it needs more encouragement, more community, just anything at all. Like, yeah, I would really like to know what you guys think about that. And who knows, maybe we can create something like that. Yeah, I just want to create a space for writers to just write and feel encouraged to write, even if they feel like their work isn't any good, or they just never feel like they are allowed the time, or whatever the reasoning is. I just want to be able to give that at least to the writing community, because that's one thing that I need in my life as a writer. So so with that, I am going to move down my view here and get to some writing. And just drinking plain old water again today. Yeah. I've been drinking coffee basically all day long, so my body needs a break. Yeah, I'm just gonna read a little bit back because it's been a few weeks since I've worked on Everbound, actually. Which is better than saying that it's been months, right? So I'm just gonna read a little bit, and okay. and turn this up. I think I have to get used to talking into the closer to the microphone when I turn up the ambience video. I've never done that before, so hopefully I didn't blow your ear out. I'm not sure if you can hear that bone, but or the thumping, because that's my dog's bone. You guys might get some bone chewing ambience as well. Oh no, I feel like I have a tick on me. This is gonna be a session that I don't get anything done, apparently. It's so really bad to see. Okay, so I'll be right back as I just change pants, I guess, because I'm wearing the ones that I took biking and I feel creepy crawly. I will be right back. Yes, welcome to my non-writing writing session, apparently. Oh my gosh. We can do this. crying? Hmm? What? Whoa. What is it? Got more tickles? Got more tickles on you? You burped at me again. You like to do that, don't you? Mm. That was really quick. That went by really, really quick. um, oh, I thought I had turned that up too. Oh man. Oh, what is this? I am so, yeah, I'm so in, yeah, this whole, because we just love having ads at every point in our lives, don't we? Um, More ads. Okay. Okay. Well, this wasn't a complete disaster, but it definitely wasn't as smooth as some of them have been. um, it's honestly, it's just been kind of one of those days, as they say. But you know what? We got some writing done. It's Balin, her toy. Got some writing done. I got back into the world, so it's fresher in my mind. Lots of little distractions. That's mainly what it has been. Just lots of little distractions, and sometimes it's just like that, and that's okay. It really is okay. It's. I think the main thing is to just remember that they are. It's just they just are what they are, and just to not think about it too much, and then just allowing ourselves to get back into the groove, allow ourselves to just get back into writing, without thinking too much of like how many distractions, like how intense the distractions are, and just like overthinking it basically, and until you just like throw your hands up in the air and just go, I just won't write then. Like that's a person could do that, and a person could feel tempted to do that, but I don't think that it needs to be that way. So just a good reminder to myself, um, and to hopefully you guys too. Well, with that, I am going to log off and might get some more writing done after this. We'll see. It's kind of getting late already, so probably switch gears and do some reading instead. Um, yeah, just let me know how you guys are doing, and again, please let me know what you would like to see, what you would like to have in the writing community, whether it's, you know, writing sessions or like, oh, I don't know, basically just anything you can think of that you feel is just lacking in the writing community. Because I think it's important to encourage each other in our craft. And I know I've felt a bit of a lacking in that. So I'll just reiterate that I do hope that I can provide an area for you to just feel okay about writing, and just like creating a safe space that is just all about getting the words out and diving into your world and just letting your thoughts run free. So, with that, I hope you guys have a wonderful evening, and I will see you guys soon, I'm sure. The weekend is coming up, so I'm hoping to do another one of these quite soon. So, all right, stay wild, writers.